Tired of the guesswork in mixing adhesives? Introducing Stone Seam, the first ever knife-grade seaming adhesive in eco-friendly foil pouches. Paired with 32 premixed color pigments, it's perfect for quartz, granite, marble, and more.
This is the first ever knife-grade seaming adhesive that's packaged in this eco-friendly foil pouches. What that does for you is it's lightweight, easy to store, easy to ship.
Download our app for easy color matching and say goodbye to inconsistency. Stone Seam is UV resistant, non-yellowing, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Get our special $49.99 trial kit with free shipping using code TRYSTONESEAM. Stone Seam, precise, consistent, and exceptional results every time.